What do you guys think? Looks pretty nice. I know this is a random video, nothing to do with Earthblock project, but living off-grid or living remotely, learning new skill is crucial. So this is a little how-to video how I hemmed my flare pants without cutting them. Enjoy! Usually bootcut jeans are flared, right? So if you try to lift it up, this gonna be longer than this side because it should be flared out. But the thing is, nowadays all the jeans of stretchy material, so you can actually, you kind of have a little bit of play to it. So what I did was I hem it up because I want to use this existing stitches. So I fold it quite a bit, and I tried to put it on with my boots. Make sure where this portion sits on the boots, like this. So what I do is just start it somewhere. Pick this piece here, like so. It doesn't move because we want to have this line to be straight. Keep the thread inside of this tube, like in a cavity like this, like that. Now make sure you are still showing the stitch. And cool thing about this thread, here you go. So even if that thread comes off, it's okay. It's actually meant to be that way. Just press it in, and now it's already in. Probably you can buy it on Amazon. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and everybody doing all the cuts and unthreading everything else, and it was a little bit too much. I have a sewing machine, but I'm living in the RV. I didn't want to take it out because I don't have that much space. And for me, sewing is kind of therapeutic. Just kind of stitch one stitch at a time and just listening to YouTube or whatever. I don't know how everybody do their therapeutic thing, because cooking is not my thing. It stresses me out. I don't like cooking. I try because that's one of a necessity, but I just don't enjoy it. But sewing, I mean, I'm not gonna go out of my way to start finding something to sew, but these things doesn't bother me at all. So if you iron it good, or even like pinching it nicely with your finger, I mean, what's wrong with this? And you can do it. It's just single stitch, nothing fancy. Just pick one side up and pick the other side, and keep the thread inside of this fold, and then come out and do it like so. That's it. And this is the boots that I restored or reconditioned. So I'm not going anywhere. Here you go. I don't have a good place to show my end result, but what do you guys think? Looks pretty nice.